Today we are on a shopping, since Krithivik has won a medal in his sports game. He was very excited about buying a helicopter. As usual, he began his ride through all the floors. He plays music instrument but seems not interested. Oh, this is the medal he won. I am very happy. Buying a helicopter is not in my budget. I want him to divert.
Cycle வேணாமா? வா சைக்கிள் போலாம். சைக்கிள் வேணாமா? வா சைக்கிள் எடுக்கலாம்.
Thank God. Finally escaped from the helicopter section. He is looking for an interesting toy, but none of them seems to be good for him.
Krithvik. Krithvik. இங்க பாரு. அப்பாட்ட பாரு. சோ.
Keep it safe, Daddy.
At least he has shown some interest in this cycle, oh, but not really.
அப்பாட்ட குத்துறது. ஏன் வேணாமா?
I think he's mad at me because I didn't brought him a toy helicopter to play with. I'll make him happy by telling him, we're going to buy helicopter toys.
Okay. Krithvik, super சொல்லுங்க. கை காட்டு. ஹெலிகாப்டர் வாங்கலாமா? Okay.
But in the end, I brought him a small fire truck and also a
Super.
Krishna picture frame for my home.
Open. Hey. Super. Krithvik super. Krithvik super சொல்லு.
Bye bye all. See you in the next video.